Morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Please take out this page number 6. Can you see the picture on your screen? Take out this page number 6, unit number 1 and lesson number 4. And turn on your cameras, everyone. Write today's date. Today's date on the page. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to make sentences using the words in the table, as you have done previously also in your class 3. What we have to do is we have to do match these words with each other and create a new sentence. For example, number 1 is given to you. Look at this example. There is a shark swimming in the bay. So आपने क्या करना है? What you have to do is take match there is to a shark. There is को shark के साथ match करें. And then match a shark with swimming. There is a shark. Then in the next third column, swimming in the bay. In the fourth column, in the bay. Do you understand how you have to do? There is a shark swimming in the bay. You have to match all of these 4 words with each other. Yes.
टीचर किधर लिखना है?
बेटा लिखना नहीं है, आपने लाइंस के साथ इनको मैच करना है, जैसे हम मैचिंग करते हैं.
ओके.
हाँ, देयर इज को शार्क के साथ पहले मैच करें और फिर आ शार्क को थर्ड कॉलम में स्विमिंग के साथ मैच करें और उसके बाद स्विमिंग को फोर्थ कॉलम में इन द बे के साथ मैच करें. अंडरस्टैंड? माहर, रामेश, इम्तिशाल. Okay. Now look at this another one. अब जहाँ पे there are rulers, जहाँ पे there is a more than one word, we will use are with it. For example, this there are some birds. There are some birds flying. Third column में flying. There are some birds flying over the water. There are some birds flying over the water. Done? Mahar, did you get it? Mahar, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Now look at this number 3. There are 2 girls. There are 2 girls playing on the beach. There are two girls playing on the beach. Please turn on your cameras. Intishal, are you doing it? Sayyid Intishal. I can't see you clearly. Sit on up. Yes, now your camera is right. Okay, there is a man. Fourth one is there is a man sleeping under the tree. There is a man sleeping under the tree. There is a man sleeping under the tree. Those who have joined late, it is page number 6, unit number 1, and lesson number 4. There is a man sleeping under the tree. Now, the last word is there are some children hopping near the lake. There are some children hopping near the lake. Salar and Azan, turn on your cameras, both of you. Hurry up, turn on your cameras. Okay, now look at this question number 2. What we have to do is make sentences for the pictures using phrases from the box. Now words are given in this box, as you can see, in the classroom, outside the school, in the playground, in the street, in the park. Now we have to use these words and make a complete sentence. You don't have enough space on your book, so please take out your rough copies and note it down there the answer. Kindly take out your rough copies and note down the answers in it, because there is no enough space on the page, on book page. Okay, बुक पेज पे इतनी स्पेस नहीं है कि आप आंसर्स लिख सकें. जस्ट टेक आउट योर रफ कॉपीज और वहां पे आंसर्स लिखो प्लीज. Okay, look at this picture number 1. What the teacher is doing? She is painting a picture. So what is the sentence? Yes, yeah. जी बेटा, unmute yourself, Shubhya.
टीचर, ये हमने रफ कॉपी में लिखना है
हाँ जी, अभी
या नोट
रफ कॉपी पे लिखे, क्योंकि अभी मैं आपको सिर्फ लिखवा रही हूँ. जब आंसर लिखने होंगे, then you have to write it down on your note copy. Neat copy, okay?
ये कॉपी में बाद में लिखना है.
हाँ, अभी बुक पे जगह नहीं है ना इतनी, तो आप नहीं लिख सकोगे, तो इसको भी रफ कॉपी पे नोट डाउन कर लो आंसर्स को. ओके,
ओके.
do mention while writing on your rough copies, do mention the page number and question number. Do mention page number and question number while doing it on your rough copy. Now look at picture number 1. It is, there is a woman painting a picture in the classroom. There. There is a woman painting a picture in the classroom. Done. There is a woman painting a picture in the classroom. Turn on your cameras, boys. Azan, first of all, you have to turn on your camera, then I will unmute you. I can't see your picture.
टीचर
जी,
टीचर ये हम किस पे कर रहे हैं?
this question you have to do it on your rough copy. Then I will give you homework, then you will do it in your neat copy.
टीचर टीचर
जी,
कैसे लिखना है?
कैसे लिखना है क्या मतलब? You have to make a sentence by using these words. By using these words, can you see the words
Okay.
given in the box? Use these words from the box. Look at the picture and then make a complete sentence. Okay.
Okay, टीचर.
Look at the first picture. It is a classroom and the woman is doing a painting. What is the
Teacher?
sentence? Ji. Yes, beta.
टीचर पिक्चर को देख के बनानी है?
Picture nahi banani Azan. We have to write down the sentence. I am telling you the sentence. Note it down in your copy.
टीचर फर्स्ट सेंटेंस क्या है टीचर?
First sentence is, there is a woman
There is a woman.
painting a
Yeah.
picture.
There is a woman.
Painting a picture.
ये रैंकिंग की स्पेलिंग क्या है?
Painting, P-A-I-N.
अच्छा, पेंटिंग.
Yes, painting a picture.
Painting a picture.
Yes. Okay, look at the next picture. There are some boys doing exercise outside the school. So what you will write? There are some children. Sentence number 2. There are some children doing exercise. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E. Exercise outside the school. There are some children doing exercise outside the school. Done, everyone? Turn on your cameras. Right, Tanya, Kalash. All of you know you have to turn on your cameras. Why you don't turn on your cameras? Turn on your cameras, hurry up. Look at picture number 3. There is a man. There, T-H-E-R-E, there. Dania, where is your pencil while you are not writing? Unmute yourself, Tanya.
टीचर मैं लेट उठी हूँ तो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या करूँ, तो
Okay.
पेंसिल और इरेजर वगैरह नहीं मैंने किया।
Take out page number 6 of your book. We are doing question number 2. Look at these pictures and make sentences. We are on picture number 3. Take out your pencil and note down the answer on your rough copy right now.
उसमें आवाज आ रही है, कुछ कह रहे हैं टीचर, सुने टीचर की बात को और से सुने।
रुक रही है,
रुक रही है वीडियो।
अब तो आ रही, अब आई।
Yes.
लेकिन वो
Can you hear me, Salar?
ये क्या?
Okay, picture number 3. Those who have joined late, beta, we are on page number 6, question number 2. We are making sentences by seeing these pictures and we are on picture number 3. Unmute yourself, Mahar.
टीचर,
Please.
we have to write in book or copy.
If you can find space on book, then you can write answer on your book. If you find it difficult to write on book, then you can write it on your rough copy right now, answer form. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, picture number 3. There is a man selling, SELLING, selling ice cream in the street. There is a man selling ice cream in the street. Intishal, turn on your camera. Dayan, are you doing it? Okay, good. Ramesh, are you writing down the answer? Now look at picture number 4. Picture number 4. There are some boys. Write it down. There are, THERE. There are some boys playing football. There are some boys playing football in the playground. Unmute yourself, Tuba.
नहीं ना, अभी जो क्या कहाँ लिखना है?
Have you taken out the page number 6?
Yes.
Okay, we are writing sentences by seeing these pictures. So you can write it on rough copy right now because we don't have enough space on the book. Take rough copy and we are on sentence number 4 right now. And you can check previous lecture from YouTube. अभी यहीं से join कर लें. Picture number 4. We are on picture number 4. Look at the picture. There are boys playing football in the ground. So what we will write a sentence. There are some boys playing football in the playground. Then there are some boys playing football in the playground. Intishal, sit properly. Sentence number 5. Look at this picture number 5. What it is? There are some girls hopping in the park. There are some girls hopping in the park. Look at picture number 6.
Teacher, please wait. I am picture number 4.
Picture number 4. There are some boys playing football in the playground. Everyone can hear me clearly? Sentence picture number 5. There are some girls skipping. Skipping, skipping. There are some girls skipping. Skipping, skipping in the park. There are some girls skipping in the park. Right? I think your internet connection is slow, beta, because rest of the class can hear me clearly. Okay, now look at this question number 3. Page number 6, question number 3. What we have to do is, we have to use ing form of verbs, sort the verbs in the box into 4 groups as shown. Now they have sorted these words which are given in the box into 4 groups. In first group, we have to add ing at the end of every word. In second group, we have to drop e and add ing. In the third, double consonant, जो last वाला word होगा वो double हो जाएगा और ing add होगा. And change I, E to Y, and then we will add ing. So here are 4 groups. Now we will see which are the groups in which we just have to add ing. So it is crying. जहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल लिखी हुई है, एग्जाम्पल के आगे लिखा हुआ है crying, उसी के आगे ही you will mention the other word. Do you understand? Look at this. जहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल लिखी हुई है, एग्जाम्पल के आगे लिखा हुआ है crying. So write other words in front of it. Crying के बाद what is the other word? Eating, fishing, flying. Eating, fishing, flying. We just have to add ing. इसमें और कोई चेंजिंग्स नहीं करनी. So these are the words on which we can just add ing. Eating, fishing, flying. Unmute yourself, Tuba.
टीचर
Yes.
लिखना है जो आप करवा रही हैं.
Beta, here look at this picture.
टीचर कहाँ लिखना है जो आप.
Beta, look at this picture I am sharing on your screen. Can you see it? अब जहाँ पे ये एग्जाम्पल
Yes.
लिखा हुआ है, एग्जाम्पल जहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है उसके आगे क्या लिखा हुआ है? क्राइंग लिखा हुआ है।
Yes.
इसी के आगे ही अदर यू हैव टू ऐड नेक्स्ट 3 वर्ड्स व्हिच आई एम सेइंग, ईटिंग, फिशिंग एंड फ्लाइंग.
Okay.
Okay, these are the 3 words in which we will just
Teacher,
have to
आप
add
लिख लिया?
G, eating, fishing, flying.
Teacher, क्या?
क्राइंग के आगे से स्टार्ट करें ना, एग्जाम्पल लिखी हुई है जहाँ पे क्राइंग लिखा हुआ है उसी के आगे स्टार्ट करें. Yes, Samaha, unmute yourself.
टीचर आप चर्चा करवा रही हैं और इसका क्या करना है?
Beta, these are the words. Can you see these words in the box?
Yes.
We have categorized and sort out these words into 4 parts. First part में कुछ words ऐसे हैं जिनके end में सिर्फ और सिर्फ हम ing ऐड करते हैं. So we just have to find out those words कि वो कौन से words हैं जिनके end में हम ing ऐड कर सकते हैं. The first one is done for you example. It is cry. Cry को हमने end पे ing को ऐड किया है, then it will be crying. So the other word is eat. Eat के end में ing ऐड करेंगे तो it will be eating. Like the next word is fly. तो fly के end पे हम ing ऐड करेंगे तो it will be flying. And fish, we will add ing at the end of the fish, so it will be fishing. और ये words आपने example के आगे लिखने हैं. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. ऐसे ही the next word is, look at this question number 2, the second part, drop e and add ing. तो कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जिनके एंड पे हम लास्ट लेटर ड्रॉप कर देते हैं, उसको रिमूव कर देते हैं, हटा देते हैं और सिर्फ और सिर्फ ing ऐड करते हैं, राइट? So we just have to find out those letters ending with e in this box, the words given in this box. So look at this first one. Example is done for you, dancing. Okay. अब और कौन सा word है which is ending with e? It is drive. Can you see drive in this box? So remove e and add ing, so it will be driving. Rest of the class and understanding my point? Dancing, driving, and smiling. These are the 3 words which are ending with e. And we have to remove e and add ing at the end of it. Okay? Dancing, driving, smiling. What are you doing right? Stop it. Question number 3. Double the consonants and add ing. Up in every word, we have to double the consonant and we just have to add ing. For example, hope. होप का लास्ट वर्ड पी है, उसको हमने डबल कर दिया है तो इट विल बी होपिंग. HOPPING, होपिंग. तो ऐसा और कौन सा वर्ड है जिसके एंड में हम लास्ट वर्ड को डबल कर लेंगे? प्लान. PLANNING, प्लानिंग. होपिंग, प्लानिंग. एग्जाम्पल के आगे लिखना है होपिंग, प्लानिंग, स्किपिंग. SKIPPING, skipping. Hoping is given for you in example. Planning, skipping, traveling. The word is travel, TRAVELLING, traveling. Look at number 4. Now, what is how we have to sort out number 4, part 4? Change IE to Y and add IN. Now, there are some words which are ending with Y, with IE. So, what we have to do is we have to remove IE to Y and add IN. Imtishal, sit properly. For example, it is die, dy. DIE डाई होता है तो हम IE की जगह पे Y लगा देंगे, DYING टाइम बन जाएगा. एग्जाम्पल आई एम टेलिंग द एग्जाम्पल. डाइंग वैसे ही LIE लाई है तो IE की जगह पे हम Y लगा देंगे और साथ ING ऐड कर देंगे, LYING लाइन. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज TIE टाई, तो हम IE को रिमूव करके Y लगा देंगे तो इट विल बी टाइम, TYING टाइम. So your homework, what is your homework? Right, I'm telling you stop doing it what you are sending. Beta, it is your internet problem because rest of the students can hear me very properly. All of you can hear me properly. Okay, note down your homework. Look at this question number 4. Make sentences using 2 verbs from each group. अब ये जो हमने 4 ग्रुप्स वाले क्वेश्चंस किए हैं जिसमें हमने ये चेंजिंग किए हैं, राइट, स्टॉप इट बेटा. बेटा राइट, आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है, आप क्या कर रहे हो? Note down your homework, everyone. Question number 4, page number 6 on classwork copies. आपने हर ग्रुप पे से 2 वर्ड्स लेने हैं और उनको सेंटेंसेस में यूज करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल क्राइंग और फिशिंग ले लें, और सेकेंड ग्रुप में आप डांसिंग और ड्राइविंग ले सकते हैं वर्ड्स. इन थर्ड ग्रुप यू कैन यूज प्लानिंग और स्किपिंग, and in fourth group you can use dying and lying, and use these words in your sentences. Yes, Tuba.
टीचर ने डायरी में क्या लिखने को बोला था?